What is binder jetting? Binder jetting is, at a high level, a two-step process. It's additive manufacturing followed by sintering. If you're familiar with metal injection molding, we often refer to it as MIM without the mold. So what we do is we design your file digitally. We then go through a step where we nest those parts into a build box. Think of a shoe box. As many parts fit in that box, we can print it once. There could be 1,000 different parts, 1,000 of the same, or 1,000 serialized and mass customized parts. If it fits and it's the same material, it prints. Once we've nested them in that build box, we utilize additive manufacturing to selectively lay binder onto a layer of powder. Think of it like your 2D printer at home. Instead of laying ink onto a sheet of paper, we're laying binder, think of it like glue, onto a layer of powder. So you print your layer height, usually around 50 microns of powder, and then a layer of binder, and a layer of powder, and a layer of binder. And we do that repetitively until we've built the entire Z-axis up of the parts. After that, it goes through a curing process where the binder is heat activated and locks in place. That allows us to vacuum up and blow off all of the loose powder, which is recycled, making it a very green process, and we reveal what we refer to as a green part. This is a part that is held together with binder, and it's relatively fragile at this point in time, and it's 20% oversized, roughly. Because the next step is a process called sintering. And during sintering, you have a first stage where we remove all that binder we're added, and then bring the part up to near its melting temperature and hold for a certain amount of time, which allows that part to shrink and densify. When it comes out of the furnace, it's a fully dense metal part. You can do to it what you would do to any other metal part. You can machine it, you can polish it, you can heat treat it. A lot of parts ship as is when they come out of printing. So when we talk about binder jetting, that's what we're talking about. And the nice thing is that because we're printing multiple parts in the shoebox at once, it's a production capable technology. We can make thousands of the same part in production to the same material standards you're used to designing to today for the MIM industry, or get material properties that you're used to designing for investment casting or machining.